Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to enable or disable live preview. Now before moving on with that, we'll understand what is live preview. I've just typed the name of the channel over here. Now I want to increase the size. Now how will I do that? Under home, this is font size option. At present the size is 11. I'll move the cursor over other option or the other size. At the background, you can see that the size is being increased. This is nothing but preview of how exactly it will look like. Okay, if in case I select 48, this is how it will look like. If you're okay with that, just select 48, or if in case you want any other size, just select that particular size. Okay, now if in case I want to change the font, just select the font that you want to apply. Now at the background, you can see how exactly it will look like. This is nothing but the live preview or preview option. Sometimes it will not be there because this live preview option would be disabled. Now how will you enable or disable it? Just go with File, then go with Options. Under Options in General, you can see this Enable Live Preview. At present, it's being enabled. I'll just uncheck that to show you the difference, and then I'll click OK. So now live preview has been disabled. I'll just type in some data. Now I'll select any other size. You can see there is no change. Why? Because the live preview has been disabled. So in order to again get back live preview option, it is the same thing. Go with File, Options, just enable live preview, and then give OK. So now if you select, you can see that